Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So today we're gonna speak about the Mathpix snipping tool, and it's the tool that allows you to scan or to take a screenshot of the equations, and it will be converted to a text that you will be able to paste in your text documents or in your Microsoft Word documents. So let's get started by installing this tool. Just search Mathpix. Oh, sorry, I need to change the keyboard. Mathpix. And the first website, Mathpix Snip, is the official website. And here you go. So you just scroll down here, and you can find that there is a mobile and tablet version, there's the desktop version and the web version, and you are free to use whatever you want. In today's video we're gonna use the desktop version because it's offline, and you choose your operating system here. In my case it's Windows, and you just click and the download here will be started, and it will start an installable file that ends with .exe, but I already have this in my computer, so I just want to cancel this. And the second thing is to go here and get started. And create an account. Like you see here is my account. If you don't have an account, you just create an account. From here, you can click sign out. And sign up here. To create another account, you just put your email and a password and agree to everything and say that you're not a robot, and everything will go well. And you will just need to confirm your email, and they will send you an email. You just need to click the confirmation link and everything will be okay. So an installation process is straightforward, and since I have it in my computer, I won't show the installation process. You just double click the file you've downloaded and just keep clicking next until the program is installed in your computer. We just need to launch the program right now. And here is the program. Here when we take a screenshot, and here the screenshot that I've taken before. Let's just, for example, click this one. So here is our equation, and you just are able to copy in the MS Word or export as a Microsoft Word file. Copy this PNG here, and there's here some links for some specific use. And here is the confidence, and the confidence show you that if this written by this program is right or totally right or not. For example, if the confidence reaches here, that means that this program is sure that it's copied the function, and it's similar as the function you have in your picture that you take a screenshot for. And if the confidence is here, that means that the program didn't is not sure that he put everything right here. So this is the original one, and this is the screenshot, and it's right. There's no mistakes, I'm sure, but you just need always to check if the program did some mistakes or not. So to take a screenshot, we have here some equations. We just need to take a screenshot for an equation, but before that, let's open a new Microsoft Word file to paste our equation after converting it to a text. So here is our Microsoft Word file. Okay, just delete this one here and go here. We're gonna scan this one or this one maybe. Let's start with this one because it's easy. And here, go to this screenshot tool here and take a screenshot like this. And wait a little bit. Oh, so as the program says here, you reached your limit of free snips this month, because I'm not sure, even though I need to have like 50 snips every month, but I didn't reach that snips. Anyway, I'm going to create a new account. So wait for it. So we click this link to confirm our email. And yeah, click this reCAPTCHA. And we are done creating a new account. So let's just go to Mathpix. Let's just relaunch it. And even though you see here I didn't reach the limit, but it's okay. Go to your settings here and to log out, and we're gonna log in another time. Save. So here is my new account, and I don't know, it gives me only 10 snips, but it's okay. Normally it gives you 15 free snips every month, and 53 snips every month, and you can upgrade to premium if that is not enough for you, or create a new account. Anyway, let's go to our equations here and let's start. Let's take here this screenshot, and here is our equation, and the confidence here is till here. That means that this equation is copied, right? So let's just click here, copy to MS Word, and here is your click paste and wait for it. And here is our equation. However, since there is like a small number of free snips, you didn't like need to waste time like clicking this kind of creating this kind of equations, because you can create this easily with the Microsoft Word just by clicking Alt plus and write your equation like this. Wait a little bit here, you go here and choose this kind of bracket. I don't know where is it. Here it is. Okay, and here we're gonna write 3x plus 2y equals 6, and then 2x plus 3y equals -1. And you see it's the same as this one, so you don't waste like the free snips in scanning some easy equations. Let's choose this equation because it seems to be hard, and let's start. I don't know if we can see those. Let's just take this way, or maybe this one. Okay, and you see the confidence here, and copy to Microsoft Word. And as you can see, it's copied only the first one and it didn't take the rest. So here is a quick solution for this. You just say export like a docx document or a Microsoft Word file, and it's gonna create a Microsoft Word file, call it doc5, and here is our equations. You just need to copy them from here, copy, and back to our document here. Let's delete this, and sorry, we're gonna paste them, and here is our here is our equations that are like from 1 to 11. So in case you just say copy to MS Word and it should just like give you only one equation, you just do this trick by clicking this export the docx file or the Microsoft Word file, and make sure that you see here if the confidence is not green, it might be here, it might be red. That means there is a lot of mistakes and the program is not sure if it's copied the equation in the right way, so you just need to check it. I think this is everything for this video of Mathpix. If you need anything and if you have some questions, please comment down below. If you find my channel useful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.